Congress created AmeriCorps so that the states could solve hard-to-solve problems. In Minnesota, one of our big problems was getting children ready to read. There were 77,000 children between the age of 3 and grade 3 who were struggling in reading. We knew they were on a trajectory where they were not going to learn to read by the end of 3rd grade. That was a stadium full of Minnesota children who were in danger of being behind for the rest of their academic lives. Literacy researchers at universities around the country had been studying why some children were not learning to read like their peers. They developed the tools to help struggling readers. Then, an idea. What if Serve Minnesota, the state's administrator for AmeriCorps, could be the engine for putting the pieces together, bringing the people power of AmeriCorps, literacy science, and support from the legislature, educators, and funders? And a key ingredient to our success is what we call our secret sauce: coaching. Not only are AmeriCorps members trained in rigorous, research-based literacy interventions before the school year starts, but then they get regular coaching from an internal coach and a master coach all year long. That means the tutoring is done consistently, with fidelity. The tutors can spend one-on-one time with struggling readers that teachers simply can't. In 2003, Reading Course started at a handful of Head Start programs. The results were immediately apparent to our tutors, parents, and teachers.
You see it firsthand when you're working with them, the impact that you have on them. I think reading has opened her eyes to how much she can learn. Her teacher calls her a star.
I just saw him bloom like you would not believe. It was incredible, like caterpillar to butterfly.
A research team at the University of Chicago wanted proof that Reading Corps really worked. It conducted the most rigorous study possible to make sure. Their numbers told the story. Reading Corps works for all children, including children of color, low-income children, and children whose first language was not English. And because of our secret sauce, our coaching, it works regardless of whether the tutors are recent graduates, retirees, or folks in between. But reading isn't the only big problem facing our students. Math is too. The numbers tell the story. More than 40% of 8th graders are not proficient in math. And we know that success in 8th grade algebra is a big predictor of whether students are successful in college and beyond. In 2008, we took the Reading Corps model and created Math Corps. The numbers for both keep growing. Reading Corps has spread to more than 800 sites around Minnesota, and Math Corps nearly 200, together reaching 35,000 children a year. With all the evidence that proves it works, Reading Corps is starting to spread around the country, and other states are asking about Math Corps too. So far, Reading Corps has helped more than 170,000 children learn to read. And Math Corps has helped more than 15,000. That's 3 sports stadiums of successful kids. We know we can help so many more.